Things that I do when my child is having cough and cold. First is I give her warm, quick bath, and I make sure that all the ACs are off in the house. And second, I do healing massage or hilot. I use baby oil. Third is I let her drink a lot of fluids, water, juice, and chicken broth, soup. Fourth is I give her humidifier, or I turn on the humidifier at night when we go to sleep. So those are the things that I do to at least give a relief or a better feeling when